So much fun, dude. Yeah.
Wait to see the rest of this shit. It's good. It's like this good.
Yeah, it's good. Service is good.
Rip it, dude, because you're not gonna.
All right, we're out with the guys again. They're my usual suspects. Andy, he's on that 300 rally. He's just done a bunch of mods to it. The Yoshi pipe, the kind of fuel commander ECU flash, whatever it is you can do on him. So he's rocking a little bit more power on it. John on his badass 690. And here we are, discovering this very cool mountain road. Just come past some beautiful waterfalls along the stream. Now we're getting a little bit deeper into the forest. Some pretty cool news as well. Andy added a bike to his collection. Bought himself a KTM690. So in the next couple of rides we'll be seeing that bike as well. Ha! Oh, let's get it. Yeah, I went a little bit too much by skid plate. This is gonna be a fun one. Huh? Yeah, and I bounced left. I mean, I bounced right.
That just went real slow.
Yeah, I tried to just clear it.
Tried to jump it?
Yeah. It was a good, saw me tumble halfway down the mountain. Hey, grab it, let me go. I'm gonna get on that side. I got it on video. Yeah. You might have to. Hey, wait, hold on a second. I got you, I got you. Go ahead. Alright, I'm busting a sweat. Alright, now these 80-20 tires are definitely showing that I'm 80% street, 20% dirt. You need a push? Do you need a push? Try to square this one up a little bit more. There we go. This is crazy. I am breathing heavy. That's tiring shit. Sorry for the heavy breathing in the microphone, guys. That wore me out. Alright. Good lesson on the tires. Now I'm definitely seeing Shinko 705s 100%. 80% street, 20% trail. On the more technical stuff. Whew. But man, what a fun little trail. Fun little single track. On the big heavy DR650. Ooh, here's my nemesis. Should be okay this way. Ooh. Ah, my second nemesis. Woo. Yeah. I'm just thinking now how hilarious that was. I took a tuck and roll down a mountain almost. Nice soft landing. Good thing it's been raining a bunch, so the ground's been awesome. Super soft. Fun times.